Hello guys, welcome to AcuTech. Today I am going to teach you how to work in Microsoft Word with Format Painter. So Format Painter, it's a very useful tool. You can use it Microsoft Word for different purpose. In other words, you can say you can save your time because time is precious. So let's have a look what is Format Painter. So this icon you can see in the clipboard, this is called Format Painter, and if you mouse over it you can get the information. Format Painter control plus shift plus C is the shortcut, copy, formatting, etc, etc. So like when you are working in Microsoft Word, here if I take a random text, like I have a different work here, and this is my MS Office Word 2020, like this, and I have some other headlines here. Copy and paste. I'm just doing copy and paste, and these are all. Now I want to change its format, like the bold, underline, and maybe little more text increasement. If I just take here 16 to 18.5, okay, like this. And then if I want to change the style, this one or that one, whatever the format, the font style, like if we go for this one, it's okay, and little bit smaller, and then you can see the color. If you want to change, go here, font color, and this time I would like this color, and even more you can mix the color, custom color you can choose here. Okay, so I would go for the RGB color, and like here I have this color, and go for this color, like this color I want to apply. Now the same format I would like to apply on this. So if we don't have this tool, this Format Painter stuff, so how we can do this? Select the text again, go and repeat the all process what we have done with this text. So it will take your time, obviously. So here's very good option. So if I want to copy the same format, same size, same color to the another text anywhere in Microsoft Word, so what you have to do, like this is my target text, so select, I want to copy the format, color, and changing modifications all. So I just select here and go to the Format Painter, this option, then just click here and then select your text you want to change and make the same to this one, the first one, and click. If you have more text, then click again Format Painter and then select the text too. Now you can see the same size, same color, same font, same everything. So it would help you to save your time, because if you want to change, and the same with the paragraph as well. If I want to change the paragraph with this, like here I have the paragraph like this one. Now I should select this paragraph and go there and all that. So what I have to do, select this one, this the first paragraph which already changed, and then Format Painter, and then click your target text like this, like this. Now you can see, and Control F2 if you want to see print preview. Now you can see this is how we can our document and save our time. So today you learned how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. So hope so you like and you learn new thing. So thank you very much. If